Torrential slide value equivalent to 164.30 rands a coin. The present cost range: 161.22, 167.37. The earlier day close: 164.84. The change was 0.54, 0.33%. Backwards rate: ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, September 26. Cost 161 rands, high 172, low 150. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, September 27. Cost 163 rands, high 174, low 152. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, September 28. Cost 163 rands, high 174, low 152. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, September 29. Cost 158 rands, high 169, low 147. And multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, October 2. Cost 155 rands, high 166, low 144. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday, October 3. Cost 157 rands, high 168, low 146. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, October 4. Cost 159 rands, high 170, low 148. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, October 5. Cost 153 rands, high 164, low 142. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, October 6. Cost 152 rands, high 163, low 141. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Monday, October 9. Cost 150 rands, high 161, low 140. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, October 10. Cost 152 rands, high 163, low 141. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday, October 11. Cost 153 rands, high 164, low 142. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, October 12. Cost 153 rands, high 164, low 142. Torrential slide figure on Friday, October 13. Cost 150 rands, high 161, low 140. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, October 16. Cost 147 rands, high 157, low 137. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, October 17. Cost 145 rands, high 155, low 135. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, October 18. Cost 144 rands, high 154, low 134. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, October 19. Cost 147 rands, high 157, low 137. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, October 20. Cost 146 rands, high 156, low 136. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Monday, October 23. Cost 148 rands, high 158, low 138. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, October 24. Cost 146 rands, high 156, low 136. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, October 25. Cost 148 rands, high 158, low 138. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 119 rands. Exorbitant cost 119, while low cost 97. The middle value of cost 110. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 104, change for January 12.6%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 104 rands. Exorbitant cost 104, while low cost 86. The middle value of cost 97. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 93, change for February 10.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WALK 2024. First and foremost cost at 93 rands. Excessive cost 98, while low cost 86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 92. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 92, change for spring 1.1%. Torrential slide conjecture for April 2024. Before all else cost at 92 rands. Excessive cost 100, while low cost 86. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 93. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 93, change for April 1.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2024. To start with cost at 93 rands. Exorbitant cost 93, while low cost 79. The found the middle value of cost 88. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 85, change for May 8.6%. Torrential slide gauge for June 2024. In the first place cost at 85 rands. Exorbitant cost 106, while low cost 85. The found the middle value of cost 94. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 99, change for June 16.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at 99 rands. Exorbitant cost 108, while low cost 94. The found the middle value of cost 101. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 101, change for July 2.0%. Torrential slide estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 101 rands. Exorbitant cost 110, while low cost 96. The found the middle value of cost 103. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 103, change for August 2.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 103 rands. Excessive cost 125, while low cost 103. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 112. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 117, change for September 13.6%. Torrential slide figure for October 2024. Before all else cost at 117 rands. Excessive cost 120, while low cost 104. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 113. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 112, change for October 4.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2024. At the outset cost at 112 rands. Excessive cost 122, while low cost 106. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 114. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 114, change for November 1.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for December 2024. At the outset cost at 114 rands. Excessive cost 141, while low cost 114. The found the middle value of cost 125. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 132, change for December 15.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 132 rands. Exorbitant cost